In that last video, I forgot to tell you to name that new layer, and we're going to name it E space A space, Earth. Get the text tool. Now, I told you to activate a font above all these videos. Click, after you click on the T, click up here where it says Myriad Pro and type GIG. And there's Gigalips. Click once on it, change the size to 200. Whoops. 200, hit return, and then click one time, just one click. We're doing point type. Don't draw a text box, okay? You'll drive me crazy. I'm going to turn caps lock on. Type the letter E, and then get the black arrow. That's it. I want that E there. Now I'm going to hold down Option while I drag this letter and hold down. See how it moved? I'm going to hold down Shift as well as Option. Let go of the cursor. I let go of the mouse before I let go of the Option and Shift. And then I can go Command D, Command D, Command D. Got it? Now, triple click on that E. Triple click will select it. I'm going to type A. Triple click on this E. EAR. Triple click. Actually, a double click works because we already have the text tool. And H. Now, normally, we're going to create outlines. This is text now. This is editable text. 5 individual characters that are completely editable. And in a normal project, I will always tell you, before you convert to outlines, hold down Option, drag out a copy so you have your editable text left. We're not going to do that because all we did was type 5 letters. If we have to recreate this, it's no big deal. So for right now, I'm going to, with the black arrow, I'm going to click and highlight everything and then Shift Option O. Okay, now I didn't look. I know it's in here somewhere. Create outlines. There it is. I do this all the time, so I don't know where it is in the menu. There it is. Create outlines. I don't expect you to remember Shift Option O yet, but now this is not text. If you double click on it, you end up in isolation mode, and I haven't shown you this. If you end up with this gray bar up here, get out of this. You have to click over, or you can hit Escape to get out of that. All right, so now we have our 5 individual characters on their own layer. We got the square on its own layer and the background on its own layer. Let's come back and learn how to use global color. That is oh so powerful.